Today we're going to be checking out the Diablo Sport N-Tune i3 Platinum Tuner, designed to work with the 2005 to 2013 4.7 liter Ram 1500s. This tuner is perfect for Ram owners looking to boost performance, customize their truck settings, and enhance drivability without requiring any extensive modifications. The Diablo Sport N-Tune i3 Platinum Tuner is a powerful and versatile handheld tuner that lets you unlock your Ram's full potential. It features preloaded performance tunes tailored to deliver noticeable gains in horsepower, torque, and throttle response. Whether you're looking to optimize for towing, improve fuel economy, or get maximum performance, the pre-configured tunes have you covered. When you plug it in, it's going to have Easy Tune and Advanced Tune options. The Easy Tune feature just has you select what octane fuel you like to run, and then if you want a standard tune or better fuel economy tune. When you plug it into your OBD2 port, it has Easy Tune and Advanced Tune options. The Easy Tune feature just has you select what octane fuel you like to run, and then if you want standard or a better fuel economy tune. Bonus miles per gallon is always a nice feature to have when you drive a truck. You can also fine-tune your transmission if you want more firm shift points or softer shift points, and those firm shifts help with towing and hauling. This tuner also allows custom tuning, giving you the flexibility to fine-tune those parameters like spark timing, fuel-to-air ratio, rev limiters, disable ESP, throttle booster, idle RPMs, top speed limiter, disable that active fuel management, and much more. And if you want to revert back to your factory settings, you can easily revert right back to your stock tune just at the push of a button after you plug it in. The N-Tune i3 Platinum is compatible with Diablo Sport CMR custom tuning software, enabling professional tuners to customize your setup and custom maps specifically to your setup. The device features a high-resolution, easy-to-use touchscreen, making navigation and adjustments very straightforward. Also, it supports data logging and diagnostics, allowing you to read and clear trouble codes to maintain your truck's optimal performance over time. Now, when it comes to the build quality, this has a compact and portable design, and the Platinum Tuner is crafted for durability and convenience. It features a durable plastic casing and enables you to use a standard USB cable if you don't have Wi-Fi for updates and connectivity. Diablo Sport also ensures that the tuner remains current by offering online updates via their website, so you can always have access to the latest features and tunes. Plus, the high-quality touchscreen makes operation very easy. Just click around and operate it like any touchscreen device. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's going to come in right around that upper $400 price range, making it a solid investment for those looking to enhance their truck's performance and functionality just by plugging into their OBD2 port. Installing and using this tuner is simple, so on the difficulty meter, this is just a 1 out of 3 wrenches, and it only takes you about 15 minutes to set up. Just connect it into that OBD2 port like I mentioned, follow the on-screen instructions, and select what tune you want. Now, let's check out an install video from one of our American Trucks customers and see exactly how that install process goes.
Hello, this is an installation guide for the Diablo Sport N-Tune Platinum i3 tuner. This is what the box should look like. I've gone ahead and opened the box already, and this is what should come with the box. You have the tuner itself, a wire so you can connect it to your computer for updates, a quick start guide, and a little sticker emblem thing. All right, tuner here. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into the OBD2 port that is under the steering wheel. Feel around for it. All right, it's plugged in. You can see the screen is turned on. Before you use these, you should definitely give it an update or two. It can be updated through the Wi-Fi of your house, or you can update it manually just using the cable provided in the box. Just allow it to turn on. Once the screen's on, it's gonna ask you if the Diablo Sport N-Tune is designed to increase vehicle performance and fuel economy. And just tells you to accept these terms. All right, so you have this little option menu here, but you're gonna wanna go ahead and click settings and Wi-Fi configuration if you're gonna update through Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go ahead and set that up, and through this, you'll be able to update your device. So once you connect to your Wi-Fi, it's gonna say connection successful, and it's gonna ask for you to check for updates. You'll wanna click yes. All right, so it's checking for updates now, and just give it a little bit of time to check for the updates. As you can see, it's telling me the updates are available. So I'm gonna click update the device, and it should be updating. The tuner may take a little bit of time updating because, well, at least for me, I'm outside and I'm having to connect through Wi-Fi. So if you're doing the same, I recommend putting the tuner on top of your dashboard or somewhere where it's not under here, so they can receive the best signal from your router, and it'll take faster than it would take if it was down here. You can see it's already at 41%. I just completed my download and it's preparing. It says preparing there, and I have a little loading bar. So we just wait for this to load, and this is processing, making sure all the tunes are on the device. Once all of your updates have been installed, it's gonna ask you to click continue so you can reboot the device. Let's see if I can hit it. Okay, there we go. It's gonna reboot the device. So just give it a little bit of time to pull back up, and your device should be updated. See here, this is where it's connected right here under the OBD port. Should be right here under your steering wheel column. You're gonna click yes. It's just saying this is gonna increase your horsepower. Here we go. Now, you wanna go to tune vehicle. Please ensure the key is in the run position. You have to be careful not to start the engine under any circumstance. So make sure it is in the run position. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the run position. There we go. I put it in the run position, but I have not turned the vehicle on. This is what I mean when you should have to try and update it more than one time. I had updated one time, but it said that the vehicle was not supported, and it said to update again, and it was to check for updates. And as you can see here, it says that there's still updates available. So please make sure you try updating 2 times, 3 times to make sure that it has the most recent update for the machine. Go ahead and click yes, and it's gonna look for new updates. It's been updated and then calibrated. So I'm gonna click continue. There it goes, installing the file. Installed, I'm just gonna continue to reboot. There it goes, rebooting the device. So after rebooting, it's gonna pull you up to this screen again. You're gonna click yes, tune vehicle, and it asks put the key in the run position. So my key's in the run position. Click continue. Okay, so what it's gonna do is you're gonna install the calibration into vehicle. And so you're gonna click yes. It's just calibrating the vehicle. So when the update is finished and it's done writing tune for the PCM, it's gonna ask you to put it to the off position. So there we go, I put it to the off position. And now it's gonna ask you to turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine. So it's saying to put it in the run position. That's what it means by on. So you put it in the on position, as in the run position. Click continue. All right, calibration complete. Click continue to reboot the device. Don't be afraid if it starts spitting up codes, as in your trailer brake system, to check your throttle, engine, service on the dash while it's updating, because once you put it in the off position and in the on position, it should go away. The device is finished rebooting, and it's gonna ask you once again to just click continue. Here we go. Now we're on this main page again. So I'm gonna do the tune and ensure the key is in the run position. So what I'm gonna do is ensure that my key is in the run position, which it is, and click continue. All right, so for now I'm gonna go ahead and do an easy tune. There's a ton of options you can do. There's advanced tune. You can change the size of your tires and all that stuff, your throttle control. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do an easy tune. I'm gonna do the 87 octane. There you go, it's saying it's gonna add horsepower and torque, but with fuel efficiency in mind. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that. Change tire size. No, I don't have any different tires. Remove speed limiter. I might as well. All right, it's gonna read a backup of your vehicle. So at any point, what you wanna do, if you wanna go take it back to the factory tune, it's gonna be able to put that for you. So it's gonna go ahead and do that for me. As you can hear, it's starting to beep again. That's just the reading of the original factory tune, so don't worry about that. It's gonna go away once you start putting the new tune. All right, I'll get back when it's finished reading the factory tune. After the backup is installed, it's gonna ask you to put your vehicle in the off position. Go ahead and put it in the off position. Click continue, give it the time to count down, and then ask you to put it back in the run position. Do not turn the vehicle on. Okay, So I went ahead and put my vehicle back in the run position. All right, so it's just reading the backup now. So it says it's applying to the PCM, and it has another download bar. All these updates, they do take maybe 5 minutes. This is one of the faster tuners on the market, so you shouldn't be out here too long, but it does take a little bit of time, so make sure you're free. So after that, it's gonna ask you to put your vehicle in the off position. Go ahead and do that. Okay, click continue, and then ask you to put it back in the run position. Do not turn the vehicle on. She's applying the stage 2 now. The last one was stage 1, this is stage 2. All right, and there's another loading screen for this one. Once the stage 2 is downloaded, it's gonna tell you to put the car in the off position once again. Okay, I've gone ahead and done that. All right, put it back in the run position, don't turn the car on. There you go. Just doing some backup stuff. All right, so this is when it's gonna start doing the actual tune download. I'm guessing what it was before was downloading backup files to make sure that if you want to take it back to the factory tune, it's gonna be there on the device. So now it's gonna ask you if this is the tune you want to install. This is the tune I want, so I'm gonna go ahead and click yes. There we go, it's just applying the tire size, gear ratio, and speed limiter is selected. Yes. Once again, like I said, it's gonna beep and make weird noises on your gauge cluster, but it should go away once it's done downloading. And now here we go, it's downloading the tune, it's writing the tune onto my vehicle. Once the tune has finished writing, it's gonna ask you to put the vehicle in the off position again. I'll go ahead and do that. There you go. Click continue. Allow the timer to click down. Now go ahead and put it back in the run position. Click continue. Shows 100%. Ask you to put your vehicle in the off position one more time. Mine's in the off position. Click continue. Let the timer click down. Go ahead and put it in the on position again. Click on. There you go. Just exporting the file. All right, tuning complete. This is you can unplug the tool and enjoy the driving with your vehicle. Click continue to reboot the device. It just says the device is rebooting. As you can see, the screen's coming back. All right, so now we're at the loading page again, the front page. It's always asks you to agree to the terms. And that's it. That's how you install one of the easy tunes. There's lots of different options on this device. You can also do an advanced tune, or if you have a custom tune, you can have it on this device. This is from a dealer, from a tuner. You can have it on this device and it's the same process. But that's it. That's how you install a tune on a Ram truck. This is the Diablo Sport Intune Platinum i3 tuner. There you go. And once you're done, you can just go ahead and turn your vehicle off. And there you go. Just pull a little bit. Unplug your IBD port. There you go. That's it. That's the Diablo Sport tuner.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Diablo Sport Intune i3 Platinum Tuner for the 2005 to 2013 4.7 liter Ram 1500. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at American Trucks.